Executors, who are appointed in a will, administrators, who are appointed where there's no valid will or appointment of an estate, are collectively known as personal representatives. They have an overriding duty to collect in and administer the estate correctly under Section 25 of the Administration of Estates Act 1925. They have a duty to act independently and in the best interest of the estate. That duty applies in all cases, even where they themselves are also beneficiaries or perhaps are related to the beneficiaries. Where an executor is appointed by a will, they're able to renounce their position before they've accepted it. However, once accepted, whether by taking up probate or carrying out duties which constitute what's called intermeddling, only an order of the court is able to remove them. If a beneficiary believes that an estate isn't being properly administered, it's possible for them to apply to court to substitute or remove an executor or personal representative. Such applications can either be made before or after a grant's been issued. Where grant hasn't yet been obtained, then a person can potentially be removed under Section 116 of the Senior Courts Act 1981 by application to the probate registry. However, in cases of serious dispute or where grant's already been obtained, then an application to remove an executor or personal representative is made to the High Court under Section 50 of the Administration of Justice Act 1985. One of the leading cases in this area on how to remove an executor is led to Stetson Brewers, in which the Privy Council confirmed that where the administration of the estate is likely to be frustrated, then an executor may or should be removed. However, the court won't generally remove an executor simply because there's some friction or hostility between the executors and beneficiaries. Or that was dealt with in the more recent case of Kershaw and Micklethwaite, where the court confirmed that friction or hostility between an executor and beneficiary is not of itself a reason to remove the executor. In the more recent decision of Re the Estate of Folks in 2017, the court ordered the removal of executors where the executors had, during the deceased's lifetime, helped the deceased to make a number of transfers of assets at a time when he was suffering with dementia.